Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a rowing machine. Well, I'm not going to show you. As you know, Tom Morrison doesn't do cardio, so I've actually got someone to help me out here. This is...
I'm JP, I'm from CrossFit Ballymena, and I rowed for 10 years and internationally for 6. What we're going to focus on today is a very simple tool you can use to improve your rowing and be more efficient. We're going to use the seat. Sometimes this needs a buddy to help you out. What you're going to start off with is your feet just on the foot plate, and you're going to grab the handle, draw it right the way through to the finish of the stroke. From here, the arms come out. We want to watch the seat. It goes behind you. So we're focusing on a hinge. It's like a deadlift. From here, arms out, hinge over, so we come forward. Now, why this is useful is we can accelerate the stroke. You can push the legs down, flick on the hips, they're going to open up nice and fast, and then the arms draw through. And hopefully we should get a sound like this. Quite often what we'll see in CrossFit is we come forward and those shoulders come in first, and we actually lose the hips completely. So we're only reliant on our quads. Our hips are really fast, let's use them. So, seat moving is point number 1. Point number 2 is the screen itself. These screens are the best screens in the world for a few different reasons. They measure loads of different things. If we press the display button, we can cycle through the different options. I'm going to go until we see this. It's called the power curve. Here's the shape we're looking for. Really nice, fast, smooth pickup, peaks, and then comes back down again. If we were disengaged, you'd find it's a little bit rougher. You might find there's a slower pickup. So we're looking to be nice and efficient at the front, accelerate it through and finish off. Those two together, you're winning points.
Boom.